Hello, everybody. Just wanted to talk to you today about some things that I wish I knew when I first started trading. It's actually wanted to direct you to an article that I wrote last year. Looks like May 10th, 2019 is when it was published. About 10 things really you should be doing before you place your first trade ever in the stock market. Just be aware, trading is, it's a battle. It is war. It can get very, very ugly fast if you don't know what you're doing. There's rules of engagement. There's a lot of, traders and hedge funds and entities out there that will take your money in 2 seconds if you're not careful. So it's very important to prepare. So some of the things that I want to talk to you about really include, really just building your knowledge account, right? Before you grow your bank account or your trading account, you have to build your knowledge account, which means you got to put in the extra work and time of learning the language and learning how to navigate through the stock market. Never forget, before you earn, you must learn. And first you learn and then you remove the L, right? So then you need to identify, what type of financial instruments are you going to be trading? Will you be trading stocks, futures, Forex, foreign exchange? Will you be trading Bitcoin? You want to orient yourself with the different types of instruments you can and that are available to trade, and which you will most likely trade based on your own personality. Then you want to start monitoring the market, right? So every single day, pick a few stocks, pick a few sectors, and start monitoring what's going on in them. Start reading press releases, start understanding how the stock market works by monitoring it closely. And as you're building kind of that knowledge about the stock market and how it works, you're really starting to see a flow of how money moves, right? Then you want to start looking at some charts, right? Because charts are the trail of money, and it shows you where price or price action has gone and where it potentially could go. So the charts basically help you determine the four really emotions that govern the markets: hope, fear, greed, and regret. So get yourself acquainted with those charts, start looking at them daily, go through many, many, many charts and start identifying patterns, and things will start to come out in those that pattern recognition. And then you really want to practice, practice, practice. So you can start using simulated accounts, trading accounts, paper trading accounts, where you're not really, risking hard-earned money. You're just risking, electric or digital money that's fake that you can use to kind of play around. You start buying and selling stocks in like a paper trading account. Never forget, though, that this kind of takes away the emotions. Whether you lose $500 or gain $1,000, you really don't have the same emotions as when you're trading real money. So there's pros and cons, but you can certainly still practice. And that's one thing that I wish I would have done in the very beginning, is practice more. I certainly probably would have lost less money early on, but the reality is you can only practice so much, because when you have even a dollar on the line, the emotions and the rush of exhilaration that you get from that doesn't ever go away, even after many, many years of trading. So you definitely want to start tracking your trades in a journal, right? Whether it's paper trading or real-time trading, there are certain things you want to track. Your date, your position, the ticker, of course, the number of shares, your position size, whether you lost or won on the trade, your win percentage, and what worked, what didn't, and areas to improve. And what happens is, on a weekly, monthly basis, you start reviewing your your trades, or even on a daily basis, and that'll help identify patterns of strength and weakness, and it'll actually help you eliminate some common errors that you're making. It's very, very, very important, especially in your very beginning stages, to start documenting everything. You essentially want to become a data freak. Then you want to choose your broker, and then ultimately fund your account. Your broker is the one who holds your account for you to be able to trade. They usually offer some sort of trading platform. And then, of course, you want to fund your account before you ultimately go live. Feel free to leave a comment if there's additional information you guys want me to make a video about, or if you have any tips or tricks, feel free to leave it for all to share. Until next time, have a great day.